Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to hide columns. So if you want to hide columns, you can select the columns like I will select from D into F. You can right click. Now you can choose hide columns. Okay, I will select again from these columns into L. Right click and then you can choose hide columns. To show or unhide, you can click this icon and you can click again this icon to show the hide column. The other option, you also can use the group tools to hide columns. Like I will select this column, right click, and then go to few more column action. You can click group column. To hide, you can click this icon. Show again, you can click icon. And then to remove these group tools, you can right click remove group. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to hide column. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.